Hello and welcome to the final episode of the NWS Chat 2.0 video training series. In this episode, we'll talk about chat etiquette, helpful resources, and some next steps to keep the momentum going. We've covered so much and come so far together. I'll share some resources and additional opportunities for Slack training so you can continue learning. First, I'd like to remind you all about our NWS Chat Terms of Service. You all agreed to these before getting access to the tool, and there are a few I'd like to call out. First, the only folks who can access NWS Chat 2.0 are emergency managers, water resource management, government partners, and real-time media. Next, everyone must have their own account. Sharing is not allowed. And lastly, this platform is totally reliable and accessible around the clock. We ask that you use NWS Chat 2.0 professionally to communicate information related to weather, water, and climate events. If you need immediate support, I'd like to review where you can turn for help. Let's check out some Slack resources. Navigate to the Help Slack Partners channel right within Slack for support. You can find it on your sidebar. This is a great place to start if you need any sort of administrative help. This might include getting help with your account, getting added to a private channel, or getting support around training. To submit a help request, you'll select the Shortcuts menu in the bottom left of your message field. From there, choose the appropriate shortcut and fill out the form. Weather Service administrators will get back to you in channel. If your question is outside one of the default categories, feel free to just send a message in channel via the message field. I would also highly recommend taking a look at Slack's Help Center. The Help Center contains general articles, videos, tutorials, step-by-step, click-by-click directions that are easy to follow. You can search for and find help articles right inside of Slack. Just select the question mark icon to the right of your search bar. Finally, let's turn our attention to some next steps you can take to continue finding better ways to work in NWS Chat 2.0. If you want to provide feedback around NWS Chat 2.0, we invite you to do so. To provide public feedback that will be posted in Slack, navigate to the Feedback channel. Once you're there, you'll select the Submit Feedback workflow, which is also accessible via the Shortcuts menu. And after you fill out your feedback, it'll be posted in channel. Remember that if you're using the mobile app, all of the shortcuts we've reviewed in the feedback channel and help channel are accessible via that same shortcuts menu with the circle plus icon. With this episode under your belt, you've made it through the series of videos to get started in NWS Chat 2.0. Congratulations. On behalf of all of us at Slack and the Weather Service, thanks for taking the time to watch this video series. We're so happy you're here and look forward to seeing you in NWS Chat 2.0.